everyone is fine. And it has been really long without seeing you all. It's been a long time without seeing you all and without you all seeing me, obviously. So it has been a very tough time for every one of us, I know that. But we'll try our best so that you know the CET examination is already declared and we already know the dates, etc. So let us be prepared for those examinations. Like whether it is going to happen or not is the secondary part. Let us try our best to be prepared for that exams, as well as stay home and be safe no matter what it is. Don't go outside your house. And during the examinations, you need to give the exams, obviously. So for that sake, be prepared with all the safety equipments you have, gloves, masks and sanitizers, and stay away from your friends. You want to talk to, I know, just go to the exam and without seeing anyone or without talking to anyone, just come back to your house. Later, if you so want to talk to your friends, please call them and speak, and don't talk to them in person. So this is the first something which I wanted to tell for you all, so that you all be careful about what's happening around. I'm very sure you are following all the guidelines which is given. And moving on to the topic, I've taken a lot of time for preparing this thing and all that due to a lot of internet issues, and also like the stand of this phone, which I need to keep it for recording. Can't ask anyone to hold it and stand for so long. So it took a lot of time. The tripod which I had to buy, and it took a lot of time to arrive, and the lighting system so that the board is clear for you. So this all thing took a lot of time. I apologize for that. I know I'm not giving the reason that I've taken time, just that this is the why I have taken time. It's not that I was simply sleeping. Obviously, yeah, I was sleeping, but I've enjoyed this holidays or whatever is called as the lockdown period. I have enjoyed my best. I never got so much time in my life, and finally I'm getting some time. I got enough time, and now it is I'll keep that time aside. The enjoyment and the relaxing sessions you have already done, keep it aside, start working hard, and be in the mind that everything will be alright soon. Before your exams itself, that is CET, before the CET examinations, everything will be fine. Don't know how true it will be, but just pray for it that everything will be fine as before, and you all can easily go and write the exams and without any trouble. Okay, so please do that. Like, pray for it, and let us hope and be prepared to write the exams perfectly without any kind of confusion. Okay, so this is moving on to the topic. Coming to the topic, today we'll be beginning with the mathematics crash course for you. So this mathematics crash course means you all know the understanding. You will have hardly few days, a few weeks, not even a proper month. So I'm sure you all have gone through the other subjects which sir has been sending you all the videos, physics, chemistry, and biology, whoever are writing. And now it's coming to the major mathematics part. And I'm very sure you'll have forgotten whatever you have studied in the syllabus, that is for the examinations which was done 100 years ago. So yeah, that one you have already forgotten. So I want the brain will never forget it, though you have forgotten it. I want you all to quickly recollect what and all you have studied for the sake of exams, which was done much before. All these formulas and all these small little things which you have studied, and that I want you all to make a list of, especially all the trigonometric formulas. Okay, that is what I want you all to make after looking at this video. First thing I want you all to do is make a list of all the trigonometric formulas, which includes half angle formula, the multiple angle formulas, the basic trigonometric identities, and A plus B rule, and sine rule, cosine rule, or whatever you have studied so far. That is sine of A plus B, or sine C plus sine D, cos C plus cos D, all of those formulas. Make a list including this trigonometric table, that is standard angle table, that one also. So everything you all make a list. It might cross 100 formulas or what, I don't know. Make a list and send me the picture in the group, or you can send me through a private message. It's up to you all. So send a picture of all the list of that formula, whatever you have done. For now, after this video, you just make a list of trigonometric formulas. Then the other formulas I'll slowly tell you all which to do right after the next coming videos. For now, as soon as you finish looking at this video, I want you all to make a list of trigonometric formulas, and including that you'll have to do the notes of whatever teaching I'm doing in today's video. Okay, so make sure you have understood what I'm trying to tell. If you're not understanding, please rewind this whatever I've told and clearly understand that what has to be done right after seeing this video. Okay, I want you all to follow what I'm telling exactly. I will help my level best for you all to crack this mathematics CET crash course, CET course. It is very easy to score above 50. Like people tell it is difficult and all that, but CET is one of the easiest exams, trust me. And JEE is maybe a little advanced than that of CET. So I would say CET, if you all understand what you have studied in the syllabus, that is previous exams, this CET is going to be much easier than that of the previous one, that is previous examinations of CET. This one is a hit for you all. I can tell it's a free hit. Looking at the situation outside also, because of this coronavirus and all that, exams are coming pretty much easier. So you're all on luck, but that doesn't mean take the exams lightly. It just means that hope for the best and prepare for the worst. So we'll start preparing for the worst, and my aim is to make your score above 50. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take up a topic, one topic per video. That topic, I will, not only one topic, maybe I will add a few more topics or whatever it's up to. So that topic related few examination questions, whichever has been repeated in the previous CET question papers, that I will give you all as a question to work out. I want you all to work out that questions, try your best and send the answers to me. Even though you have not got the answer, just leave it blank and tell me which you have not got. So that after you have done, as soon as everyone sends me the answers of a given question, I will be uploading a video of the solution solving of those questions whichever I have done. So which means I will be covering up to papers of past 5 to 6 years. I'll cover up to that many papers of including all the topics. Okay, I'll be just taking up one topic, explain that topic to you, and then after that give few questions from the question paper for you all to work it out, try it on your own. After that, you all will send me the answers, and after that I will explain those questions solutions, and then you will understand it and re-solve those questions and send it back to me. Okay, so in the final, once we have done with all these solution answering sessions of all the topics, I'll be sending you all the questions, like complete list of 60 question paper. You need to solve it in 1.5 hours for the beginning, and another set of question papers I'll send. You need to try your best to solve it within 50 minutes. Okay, because the examination is for 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. You should be able to solve it with 55 minutes at least. Okay, that is the aim. So you should be able to solve 60 questions in 55 minutes. So you should be able to do it. And standard values are the ones which you need to remember and solve the exams. Fine. So this was all about my introduction session to the CET crash course. And this is how I'll be taking up the classes. And please do send me what are the suggestions you all have, and whatever it is you want from me. Please give me the suggestions. You can send a message, you can put a comment or whatever you want. Okay, please do let me know what are the changes you need, what other help I can do for this crash courses for you. Okay, yes.